everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I have a project share for you guys, and my project today was inspired by Put Some Bling on It, who is Natalie. Hey girl, thank you so much for your inspiration. I've been loving her little projects lately. They've been so cute and just fun and colorful. And anyway, I saw um, a share and a tutorial that she made on her channel. So I'll make sure I put the link of her video in the description box. But she made some little cupcake pops using some pom-poms that she created. I decided to create one, but a mini version of it. And I had bought these pom-poms from, I just showed you on my last video, from joanns.com. Hey buddy, relax. Sorry, I have my dog right here. I'm kind of babysitting. So I started out making these cupcakes and I think they're adorable. Isn't this cute? Oh my gosh, they are so adorable. I love them, and it's just a smaller version of the one that Natalie made. So I basically used a cake pop stick that I had gotten. I can't remember where. I think this one might have been from Hobby Lobby. So I used this set of craft sticks, and it has a lot of the fun colors that I needed. And then I used lots of my trims and then my sequence bow. This bow is actually from my subscriber and my friend Phyllis. Hey girl, Phyllis Terrell, is it? Anyway, she had sent me some Happy Mail a while ago, which I still have to send you Happy Mail, girly. I just haven't yet. But she had gifted me a few of these. I think like three of them. So she gave me this one, and I think she gave me the green one as well, which I can show you right now. This one right here, so cute. Aren't these adorable, you guys? So thank you, Natalie, for your inspiration. And I made it pretty much the way she did it. I used the cupcake liner from, I believe this is from Michael's, the Celebrated brand, and I just used several layers of it, so to make it nice and sturdy. I didn't really need to do that because on the inside I also made it sturdy by using some really sturdy paper, and I'll show you how I did mine. But pretty much the same thing. She put some trims on the bottom. I did the same thing, and then the cute little bow, and then a little cherry on top. And I'm debating whether I'm gonna put some sprinkles. I don't know. I have to look at my sequence mix and see if I have the ones. I think I have green ones, but I don't have too many of those like longer beads, the ones that look like sprinkles. But I might just go ahead and do that because I didn't put too much, bling bling on it. But isn't that adorable? And then here's another one. So I basically made it out of all the different colors of the pom-poms that I bought from Joann's. So isn't this adorable? I just love them, and I think they're super bright. And my daughter's like, I'm not sure if I like the colors, Mom. They're just like so neon, but I love them. I'm loving the bright colors right now. Let me show you how exactly I made these, just in my little process, but I will also leave the link to Put Some Bling on It, because she's the one that I saw create these cuties. So like I said, I just made mine a smaller version. All right, so I started out with the cupcake liners. So I used these liners right here, and like I said, I think I got these from Michael's, and they're the mini cupcake liners. So I just like used, I don't know, 3 or 4 of them. I kept them, together and then pulled them out. And then I used my pom-pom. So I've already like selected these for the sake of the tutorial. So I'm going to do, just, figure out your color combination that you want. And then I just kind of you know, see which one is gonna go well together. And purple and yellow is usually a good combination. And I was gonna do a pink liner on this one, but I don't know, I'm just loving the yellow liner right now. It's just, I don't know, I love it. So anyway, I just kind of like fluff my pom-pom to see like which is the best side, you know, and then I'll put it on here and to see how it looks, and then go from there. So okay, so then let's go ahead, and I got my hot glue going. So the first thing I do is I cut out a strip of really thick cardstock. So the thickest, you know, cardstock, you still want to be able to bend it though. So this is 3/4 inch by about 6 inches. And I actually use one of my Brosette dies. As you can see, there's 1/2 inch, not 1/2 inch, is it 1/2 inch? 1/4 inch lines on them, score lines, but you don't necessarily need that. So, but just cut a strip of really like thick cardstock, and then I just do this with my bone folder just to bend the paper fibers. Okay, and then what I do is I just kind of roll it like this to about like 1¼ inch, because that's the size of the bottom. I would say it's about close to 1¼ inch. And then I will just kind of size it by putting it inside like this, and then just let it unravel a little bit, and it'll kind of get to the right size if you let it unravel. And then that's about, see, wait, that's too much. You want to make sure that it is the size of the bottom, not necessarily the top. Okay, and once it fits snugly in there, then I'll take this off, and then I will glue that. So what I do is the inner edge right there, I'll hold that together like that, and then I'll bend this back, and then I'll glue this down. So I'm just going to use some hot glue. And what I'm creating is just this inner piece so that my pom-pom has more of a surface to get glued on. Okay, so it'll stay in there, and it also gives it some stability. It just makes it a little more sturdy. Okay, so as you can see here, yeah, it's just gonna go in there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna glue that down. Okay, before I do that though, I also use my punch. I have a 1¼ inch circle punch right here from EK Tools, and I'll just punch out a couple of circles, and then I'll also poke holes in the middle so that I can stick my craft stick in there, my pop. So let's see, let's do what color? I love the green, so I'll do one blue for the blue, and then I'll do the green one maybe for the pink. We'll see. Okay. For now, whoops, there goes my stack of, my desk is a crazy mess. Okay. So yeah, so you're going to make some circles. So nice and sturdy though. Okay. Make sure this one is pretty sturdy too. This is a glitter paper, Recollections glitter paper from Michaels. Pretty sturdy. And then what you want to do is glue this on the bottom like so. And as you can see, it is almost 1¼ inch. It's probably a little bit more than 1¼ almost 1½ inch on the bottom, and then I also do one on the inside. So I'll do the glitter one on the bottom and this one, and that's just to make it nice and sturdy. So you can go ahead and just get your glue. I'm just going to use my Fabri-Tac because I like the way that sticks better, and it helps me, also gives me some wiggle room so I can center it. Oh, but before you do that, just make sure you center it. Take your I use my Big Bite to create a circle. So just get a hole punch, circle punch, and I use my 3/16 inch of a punch, and I'll like punch it and create that circle. Okay, and it's perfect for the stick because it fits perfectly in there, as you can see. All right, so once you do that, go ahead and glue your bottom. And put that through, and as you can see, it's perfect. See, and it doesn't slide. It's a perfect size. Okay, so then you want to just maybe put like maybe a 1/4 of an inch on top, like a 1/4 of an inch from this level. Okay, so let's see, let me do that. So just eye level, see that? I'll keep it like that, and that's where I'm gonna put some glue. Okay, so, but first I'm gonna put glue here. Sorry, my glue is all yucky now. So I just be generous with your glue, because remember, this is gonna keep that on there. So just make sure it's nice and straight. Okay. So you want to just let that dry a little bit. And then you're gonna get your this one right here, and you're gonna also put glue on the top edge and on the bottom edge. that's it. And you could also add a charm down here. You can put a big jump ring and add a charm if you wanted. But that is it. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, so cute. So thank you, Natalie, for this awesome idea, and check out her tutorial, guys. She makes the bigger one. And anyway, this is so much fun, and I love the way they came out. They are just the most adorable cupcake pops ever. So hope you guys liked my process video, and thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!